Before you even start your online marketing endeavor, it is vital that you fully understand the high relevance of having the right knowledge, approaches and the means to make sure that you'll survive whatever may happen along the way. You couldn't afford to make decisions that will just make you waste time, money and resources. And in the end you'll end up with nothing. So as early as planning stage, care to know everything about the scope that you are about to endeavor, the strength and most of all the challenges really matters a lot. And then hope they spread the word about us to their friends, family and colleagues through social networking. Demand generation will help you carry out significant tasks for your marketing aside from its main purpose, which is to drive awareness and interest in a company's products and or services. It is highly important for you to be able to generate more audience, followers and leads that will soon become your loyal client or buyers. Your leads will potentially lead to buyers and buyers potentially lead to sales and then success to your company. Start right. A low quality and inadvertent approaches will certainly end up costing you a lot of wasted time as well as cash. The first impression people have about your business is very crucial. When people hear about something which is actually good than what they have tried, great chance that they'll try it and leave what they already tried. Take command of your business's list building. Never rely to fate when we speak about the sales of your business and its growth, efficiency and image. Development is more crucial than revenues. You should always take charge on the workarounds within your business so that you won't be left behind when it comes to your company's growth. If you are now curious about taking command of your business's list building, right here are some simple techniques of the trade. Make use of the most advanced tool available to mankind today, the Internet. Considering that millions of Internet users are actively browsing or logged onto the Internet every hour, looking for something particular or just browsing around, it is very vital that you have the ability to bypass all the lead brokers in addition to the various other competition online and just directly link to your intended customers directly to your business's website. Nowadays, having a website is a must. Your customers not only anticipate it, they demand it. Demand generation. Get the most efficient and suitable solution for your business. Don't just pick anything from nowhere. Some solutions might be very useful for others but may not work best for you. What to know what's best for your business. Consult the expert and know what and how. Introducing Easy Expo, a complete virtual summit and expo platform for training, conferences and exhibition, which will help your company generate more leads, more sales and more revenue. With Easy Expo, you can run unlimited virtual summit with built-in live chat, whiteboard, product presentations, and screen sharing with multiple speakers. Not only that, there's more. Easy Expo can offer both live and on-demand approach for everyone's convenience. Participants can always engage virtually anytime. Exhibitor can showcase their products, services 24/7. Participants can conduct live chat or video conferencing with the exhibitor. Each booth has instant marketing intelligence that lets your marketing and sales team gain a better understanding of your customers' needs. Every exhibitor can get all qualified leads with contact information instantly from their virtual booth. Easy Expo fully integrates with Google Hangout to provide business hangout for every exhibitor booth. This can boost massive traffic to Google from YouTube. It can also be live streamed via the virtual auditorium. Every attendee can view it without having a Google Gmail account. Our collaborative environment lets you gain as much knowledge and updates as you can from different points of view directly from the speakers themselves. Not to mention the profound benefit of not having to travel just to gain these insights without interrupting your workflow. Easy Expo brings multiple speakers to present their ideas and updates with targeted networks of individuals. Bringing everyone from around the globe with common goal together is one of the best ways known to men to keep everybody up to speed. We make every opportunity turn into possibilities, and possibilities into reality. For more information, please contact us at 1-888-718-5333, or email at sales@easyexpo.com, and go to www.easyexpo.com.